To put effective check on illegal transportation of cattle and other contraband items towards the border areas, the BSF Meghalaya frontier has started laying mobile checkposts at vantage points on vulnerable routes leading to the international border of East Khasi Hills, West Jaintia Hills and East Jaintia Hills of Meghalaya. In one such check, alert troops of the Border Security Force Meghalaya rescued 16 cattle from the border area of East Khasi Hills in the wee hours of 4th October 2022. The cattle, which were meant to be smuggled to Bangladesh, were confiscated along with 3 vehicles in which these cattle were found to have been mercilessly crammed. To be able to continue with their smuggling activities, a lobby of smugglers have been instigating people to raise voices against mobile checkposts put up by the BSF. However, ignoring such matters, the BSF, through these mobile checkposts, have been successful in curbing smuggling of cattle, drugs, narcotics and other contraband items to a great extent.